Here we are at the crucible. What have I been doing all day? Well, I haven't been doing nothing. We got this up and running, look. Which is down in there. We done a bigger reservoir, and now I got a sump pump. And that thing there you see is the float. So when this water gets to a certain height, it switches on. Understandy? So it switches on and it gets pumped up into there. Right? Now if you left it on this one, I had to put that in there just to stop it. If I left it on all night, it wouldn't overflow that. Okay, so we wire this one in as well, so there's a little tap around here, look, and I can have it running like a good one. In fact, you know, you can have it just dribbling, dripping. What I need is obviously two taps there, I think, to gravity feed these two machines. It'd be better if it was, what was that? It'd be better if it was gravity fed, not siphon fed, because if it goes past the siphon tubes, you've got to siphon it. And believe me, I did it just now. And this stuff is the irkiest, dirkiest, murkiest taste you're ever going to get in your mouth. So that's going to drip. Can't drip all that. Now we need a, I don't know if anybody going out there. I need a tap for on here. Oh, I can't move it. Oh, that fell off as well. There's a thing up in there, and it's supposed to have a tap on it, on the back, so then you can tap it off here, or you can tap it off up there. So these pipes will all get, they'll all disappear eventually. I'll run in behind them cupboards. It'll all be out of sight eventually. Okay, so there's your mess for today. And I just feel like spitting. Right there, man. I wanted to show you something. See that? That's called an extension lead. Take that out. See it now? It's called an extension lead. Didn't know that, did you? So that's going to switch on in a minute, but as you can see, the battery's going to go, so it all works. We're all happy. That's going to drip all night, but I'm not worried about it. Thank you, my friends. We're getting closer to the lathe getting back as it was. I will get a sump pump eventually. We did get two, as you know. I got a here somewhere. Here's one. No, it's not. Here's one. No, it's not. Here's one, which is a power assisted, a power, whatever, right? And here's the other one. This was that thing. I just got to turn, I think, to fit on there. We could put a pulley block on there, so it would work. You know, it could almost go straight onto there. You know, it could do that if I wanted it to. So all in all, I'm quite an happy chappy, and I'll see you very soon, I open at my clock. Don't work, but it looks good. Howdy partners. I got this on my head because I want to do something that I've saw in the back of my head, and I don't let things come out. Once they're in there, they're in there, which means I've got to build it. So I need 21 pieces of steel like that, but approximately a bit bigger than that, I should think. Let me have a look at this. That is 6, so if we made them 9 to 10, so yes, let's make them 9. That. So we need 22 pieces of steel. Might be an idea to scribe that. Might be a bit wider than that. What do you think? 1.25 I'd like. So 20, whatever I just fucking said, 21 pieces of steel. But I've got this to sort out first. So I'll sort that out and we'll start cutting 21 pieces of steel. Okay, Blakey.